Hi, this is Chris from Discover eLearning, and I'm excited to give you a demonstration of the latest features added to the eLearning Magic Toolkit version 2.9, available to download right now for your WordPress website. With this release, we're continuing to build on the capabilities of the Storyline Custom Databases tab, which we introduced to offer a more suitable alternative for many developers to the Google Sheets method of storing and recalling variable data from different Storyline projects. Since the advent of Google Sheets API version 4 and the deeper integration of the Google Cloud Platform, this method has become much more cumbersome, but also an insecure way to store user data, as your app needs to make Sheets publicly open to allow for any Storyline activity to read that data. The eLearning Magic Toolkit completely revolutionises this approach by giving you the same spreadsheet-like storage approach to work with for your variable save and recall needs for non-authenticated users, but managed completely local to your site, meaning your user variable data never leaves the protected ring fence of your site's own SQL database. Once you have the eLearning Magic Toolkit version 2.9 installed onto your WordPress site, after selecting any populated custom database you've created, you will see the latest features laid out for you in the Table Options area. I'm selecting a table here which I've created for my multi-choice quiz built in Storyline, so that I can capture every participant's chosen answer to each question in order to display an aggregate score for all users. The biggest and most exciting new feature that we've provided with this update is the ability to edit any stored value in the table, much like editing a spreadsheet directly on the page. As soon as you've made the updates you need, just click on the Save Changes button to have these be stored. If for whatever reason after setting up your custom database table you might need any additional rows or columns, for example if I were to add an additional question to my quiz, then I can click the button shown to immediately add this onto the table. Click on the Delete Last Column button to remove the furthest column on the right from the table, or click on any of the Delete Row buttons to remove that set of entries by that user. And lastly, we have introduced a Download CSV button, which you can click on to immediately generate and download a file to your computer with the content of your database laid out in a CSV spreadsheet. This makes it possible to generate snapshots of your databases over time, or feed that information into other reporting tools you might be using in order to further explore the data being generated. New and existing eLearning Magic Toolkit customers can download this latest version of our plugin today. And if you're interested to discover more about the amazing things the toolkit can do, then head on over to the Discover eLearning website, where you'll see how you can very quickly get started integrating the capabilities of OpenAI, Stability AI, and 11 Labs text-to-speech into your online learning experiences.